Wow. Look at all those stars. They're like diamonds.
A light shines, even though the star is gone.
Yeah, it does.
The light shines, even though the star is gone.
Shadow and Robotnik, they sacrificed themselves to save everyone.
You always have a choice.